Good evening, everyone. My name is Rohan Patel. I am student of Risang Institute, batch number 26. Today, I have discussed of explanation of cells. Cells are the basic structural and functional units of life. They are the smallest units of living organisms that can carry out all essential process of life, such as the metabolism, energy production, and reproduction. Cells can exist as a single celled organism like bacteria or as part of multicellular organisms such as plants and animals. There are two main types of cells: prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells are like bacteria, are simple and smaller, lacking a defined nucleus and membrane-bound organelles. And eukaryotic cells found in plants, animals, fungi, and protists are larger and more complex, with a defined nucleus and various organelles like mitochondria and the endoplasmic reticulum that carry out the specific functions. Cells are surrounded by a cell membrane which control of movement of substance in and out of the cells. Inside the cytoplasm holds all cells, and the nucleus in eukaryotic cells contain the genetic material DNA that guides the cell's function. And the cells can specialize for different function in the multicellular organisms, forming tissues, organs, and systems, contributing to the overall function of the organism. Cells are incredibly important because they are the building blocks of all living organisms, and they perform all essential functions needed for life. Are key reasons why cells are essential. Number one, unit of life. All living organisms are made of cells from single cells organisms like bacteria to complex cellular organisms like humans. Cells are the fundamental units that support life. And two, organization and structure. Cells provide structure and organization. Living begins in multicellular organisms. Cells work together to form tissues, organize systems, allowing the complex function and activities to occur. And number three, energy production. Cells carry out essential metabolic process to produce energy, the most notably through cell respiration. Cells convert nutrients into physical energy of energy. Without this energy production, no cellular activity would be possible. And four, genetic information. Cells contain DNA which holds the genetic information uh, necessary for growth, development, and reproduction function. These genetic codes is passed down from generation to next. And five, reproduction cells have the ability to reproduce either through mitosis in somatic cells or meiosis. Reproductive cells ensure organisms can grow, prepare adults, and reproduce offspring. And homeostatic cells maintain homeostasis or stable internal environment. Process like temperature and pH level and the concentration of ions to keep condition ideal for life. 7. Communication cells communicate with one another to coordinate actions in multicellular organisms. Cells send and receive signals such as hormones or transmitters to control process like immune response, growth, and repair. And 10, specialization. In multicellular organisms, cells can differentiate and specialized from specific functions such as muscle cells for contraction, nervous cells for transmitting signals, or red blood cells for oxygen transport, allowing for the complex functions of the organisms. In short, cells are essential for life to exist, grow, and function properly. Without cells, there would be no living organisms. Main part of cells, cell membrane, control the substance in of the cells and nucleus, the cell genetic of and coordinated activity. Uh, of mitochondria, powerhouse of the cells, providing energy in the form of ATP. Ribosomes, synthesis functions, plasmic regular rub has ribosomes on its surface and helps with protein synthesis. Smooth ER involves the lipid production and detoxifications. Golgi apartments modify sorts package proteins for secretion for use within the cells. Lysosomes contain enzymes to digest waste material and cellular debris, special features in certain cells. Chloroplasts in plant cells capture light for photosynthesis. Cell wall in plants and some prokaryotes provide structure and proteins. Vacuoles larger in plant cells store water, nutrients, and waste products. Cells can perform complex functions such as metabolism, reproduction, and response to stimuli. They can divide through process like mitosis for growth and repair, and meiosis for reproduction in gametes. And its conclusions. Cells are the fundamental units of life, forming the basis of all biological process in living organisms, whether prokaryotic or eukaryotic cells share essential functions such as energy production, growth, reproduction, and response to stimuli. They are incredibly diverse in structure and function, tailored to the needs of different organisms, from the simplest bacteria to complex multicellular organisms like humans. Cells work together to sustain life. Understanding cells is crucial for advancing knowledge in fields like medicines, genetics, and biotechnology, as they are the heart of both health and disease. Thank you for listening.